Hi, this is JD from AWD Wix, here to do a short tutorial on just how to get into your dashboard, how to get into your editor of your Wix website. I have a lot of clients ask this question, so I'm making a video to send to them. You just simply log into your Wix.com account. If you don't have a Wix.com account and you want a Wix website, you need to sign up for Wix.com. And then you just find your site. Say we're going to go to this one. We're going to select it. And this is going to take us into our dashboard. In your dashboard, you have a number of things you can do in here. You got stored products. This is for your categories of your products. You can do gift cards, subscriptions, point of sale. If you want to use a point of sale machine, Wix has that now. It's how you manage your contacts, your CRM, all that stuff. Marketing and SEO. Your settings are in here. But this is your dashboard that you need to know how to get into so we can do a number of things. Then once you're on the home, at the top, like it says home, it just said welcome back. Go all the way over to the right, you'll see edit site. And if you click that, that's how you get into your editor of your website. So I hope this helped you out. Have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.